Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I will show you how to create a fantastic and professional looking ebook for free. If you are a beginner and don't know how to create a stunning ebook, be sure to watch this entire video. I will cover every essential point in this video tutorial to help you create your ebook. So let's get started. Once you have successfully created your Canva account, go to the search bar and type ebook. Then press enter. Here, you will find many ready-made ebook templates. You should choose one that matches your category or niche for ebook you want to create. I recommend selecting a template with multi-pages. For example, I am selecting this multi-page template here. After that, click on Customize this template. Once you do that, the Canva editor will open, allowing you to edit your ebook. Now that you are in the Canva editor, you have the freedom to customize your ebook as per your preferences. You can add your content, images, and make any necessary adjustment to make it unique and tailored to your needs. Canva provides a user-friendly interface, making it easy for beginners to work with. So the first thing you have to do is to add your text. To add your text, simply click on the text boxes within the template and replace the placeholder text with your own. You can also format the text, change font, colors, and size to match your style. For adding images or graphics, click on the element tab on the left side panel. Here, you can find a variety of elements to enhance your ebook, such as icons, illustrations, and photos. Simply drag and drop them onto your pages to create a visually appealing ebook. If you want to add more pages to your ebook, you simply need to click on the Add Pages option. You can add as many pages as you want to your ebook. If you need a full step-by-step tutorial on how to edit your ebook, please let me know in the comment box below and I will create a detailed video for you. I will explain everything from A to Z, including how to edit your ebook in Canva and where to get all the content for your ebook. So now, once you are satisfied with the design of your ebook, click on the download button and you will be able to save it to your computer in various formats, such as PDF, which is commonly used for ebooks. That's it. You have successfully created a beautiful and professional looking ebook using Canva, and you did it for free. You can also share your ebook with others, whether it's for personal use, business, or any other purpose. I hope this tutorial was helpful in guiding you through the process of creating your ebook. If you have any question or need further assistance, feel free to ask in the comment section below. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more helpful tutorials like this. Have a great day.